Falcon Group of Institution has announced the mega educational conclave by name Fikr Mustaqbil National Edu Conclave on 25th and 26th of January 2025. In this conclave, the aim is to correct a historic mistake when it comes to educational mindset in the community. Because we are lacking in innovation, we are lacking in basic entrepreneurship. Our community is the entrepreneurs community, but we lack the structured entrepreneurship. We don't have leaders. So in this Edu Conclave, what Falcon is coming out with, mindset change, which we want to bring using the past, because we had a glorious past where we have invented, we were the innovators, and we were the givers to this society and the world. In this, 111 innovations by the Muslims are going to be displayed in a gallery, innovation gallery. There is going to be 50 male and 50 female scientists who are going to be displayed there. We're going to have a gallery of freedom fighters, Muslim freedom fighters, around 75 Muslim freedom fighters whom we hardly have heard of, because people now questions our patriotism. But let our own people know what is the sacrifices we have done in the independence of this country. We have a expo where future educational expo we are doing, where the children and the students or the people who will walk into the conclave will be exposed to the new age technologies, robotics, AI, AR, VR, space, all the different nanotechnologies. These are things which children are going to be exposed to. We have leaders, professionals to leaders, a meet by more than 2,000 professionals have been invited who have already accomplished professionals, those who are still doing education in the professional colleges like different medical colleges or IITs and NITs. These professionals have to assume the role of a leader. How can they do so? That is one very important meet we have, that is for our alumni and other professionals. Then we have Vocals of Islam, a competition, a competitive spirit we are trying to ignite in the students. Around 50 schools are competing in this particular competition. It's all going to conclude in a conference, Fikr Mustaqbil, a way for a better tomorrow. In this conference, the best minds, the visionaries of this country will come and give the new roadmap for the community, which is gonna be the landmark conclave which Falcon is going to organize on 25th and 26th. Festive kind of environment we are trying to create, where the foods will be there, the children can play. There are a lot of play areas are going to be put up in that particular conference. Families can come. More than 10,000 visitors we are expecting in the conclave. We request each one of you to grab this opportunity.